So far, we have finished the complete Elite Traders project, in which we considered the scenario that the company was operating for many years, but they were working manually or some other software. So they want to transfer and fully implement the QuickBooks Online system. So I have showed you how we can create this chart of accounts from scratch and put their opening balances, how the individual control accounts matching system works, and how we can enter the individual customer and vendor and inventory details to match the control account balances here. Then we have checked some other reports which enabled us to extract the trial balance report until this point. After that, this is the main step that you do for the system implementation in all of your clients. The method will be similar, but the data will be more. So this is how you can implement the system. After that, we just took the scenario that we are now live on the system, and we just perform all the day-to-day operations, including each and every kind of transactions, all kind of settlements, even the bad debts, inventory loss, prepayments, unwinding, and all the day-to-day transactions like sale, purchase, receipts, and payments. So after that, we extracted some of the critical reports at the end, which is trial balance, balance sheet, and profit and loss. So this is basically a complete scenario of how you can handle a real company project. This is exactly how you do it. From the next section, we will start working on some of the other key areas in QuickBooks Online, like customizing the dashboards and seeing some different functionality like reconciliation, taxes, matters, and all the other amazing stuff. So this is the end for Elite Traders. From the next video, we will see some other essential topics. So I'll see you in the next one.